But let's say you're now looking to sell off a stock in your portfolio with Cash App. What you're going to want to do is select the particular stock you're looking to sell. So in this case, let's choose JP Morgan Chase, and you can now take a look at the performance here of your investment. So since we just bought this, my return is only 0.1% since I purchased this about 10 minutes ago, but you can track here to see whether or not you're making money or losing money in a particular investment through Cash App. But we're going to go ahead and sell this now. So we're going to click here on the sell button. And this is where you can choose to either sell this as a one-time order, or you can do a custom order here and actually set the exact price here you want to sell at. So this is going to be like a limit sell order here. So if you want to specify the exact price that you would sell at, you can do this here by adjusting it up or down. But in this case, we just want to do a sell order at the current market value. We're going to sell off $5 worth, which will be half, and then we're going to click on the next button. And at this point, you can click on confirm to sell $5 worth of JP Morgan. So once we do that, you can see here that we have sold off $5 worth, and then we can click here on the done button at the bottom, and we can see now that we have $5.01 left invested. And if we navigate back now to our home page, it's going to reflect a balance here of $4.98 from the JP Morgan stock that we just sold off.